Okay, I'm at Home Depot right now. I'm looking for a switch for my light because there's something wrong with it. Because if I will let the electrician to do it, it's way too expensive. So this is the one that I'm looking for. It's not that expensive. It's almost $6. So I'd rather do it myself so that I can save money, because electrician is way too expensive. They charged me almost $200 to install this one, but look at the price, it's only almost $6. It's good. Okay, I'll show you guys how to replace the light switch. Okay, this is the one that I bought from Home Depot. So this is the light switch, this is the fan. So this is the one, see that? This one is on, but you have to push it up all the way before it works. Okay, but sometimes there's a spark sound inside, so it's so scary. So I have to replace it. See that? Something wrong with it. See that? See that? So I'll show you guys how to replace this one. It's very easy. Okay, first thing we have to do before we start working on this one, we have to turn off the circuit breaker. Okay, this is my circuit breaker, so I have to turn this off. Okay, that one, let's turn off. This is my main breakers in my basement, so I have to turn that off before I start working replacing the switch. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do, we have to remove this 4 screw here. It's very easy to do it, guys, because I tried to call electrician, but the thing is it's too expensive, so I'd rather do it myself so that I can save money. Because the time they come here, they charge me already $150 just to come here. The labor is not included, so maybe if the labor included, it's gonna be around $200. Right? This is the one. Okay, there's also 2 screws on this one. I'll show you guys. Okay, there's 2 screws here. It's off. All right. Okay. Remove already the 2 screws here. Then you have to fold this out. You can see here. I'll show you guys here. It's very easy to follow. There's 2. Okay, we see I can hold it now because I turned off the breaker. So these 2 wire, you're gonna do the same thing to the new switch that you bought. Okay, I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, you have to unscrew this one. Okay, you have to pull this out, this one, so that you are not gonna get lost when you connect it. It goes like that, right? So you take this one from the bottom, so you have to put this one here, goes and also in the bottom. Okay, show you guys. So same thing here. Close this one, pull this out. Then you have to put this one on the top. Okay, then put screw just like that. Okay, just like that. Oh, sorry, just like that. And then we have to put it back. I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, let's tie all this up. Okay, and then that's it. Now we have to put this back in here. Okay, let's put this in. Let's put the wire. Put the screw back. Okay, just like that. Before we put it back the cover, we have to try it first if it's working. Okay, that's good. Now I have to go turn on the circuit breaker, and then we have to try it. Okay, I turned on already the circuit breaker, so we'll see. There we go. See that? Now it's okay. Now before, if you tap that one, this is the old one. If you tap it, it turned off. Now it's good. Okay, that's how you guys replace it. Very easy. Very easy to follow. Okay, just like that. Now after that, I have to put it back the cover, just like that. Put the foot 4 screws, and then that's it. Okay, that's the fun. Yeah, this is the fun. Works. So this is the one. Okay, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you replace your switch. Okay, if there's something wrong like this one, if you hear any spark sound inside, or when you tap it like that, it turn off, that means there's something wrong with your switch. Okay, I hope this video will help you guys how to replace your switch. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.